Adam Smith, the father of economics in his theory of human wants, laid down a popular theory called the Adam Smith's theory of wealth creation, which took into consideration scarcity of resources, unlimited wants of human beings, strategic utilization, and delegation. If in the early 1700s these principles were based on the scarcity of resources and unlimited human wants, what more of today that a luxury in their time is now a basic necessity? With the rising cost of living and the new job uncertainties arising from COVID-19, a secondary source of income is fast becoming a necessity. How can you earn more money on the side? Before we get to that, please like this video and subscribe if you're new here. Here are 10 COVID-safe side hustles you can start with little or no money from the comfort of your home. 1. Content creation. Content creation comes in different flavors, and you can drive it in whatever direction you desire. It could be you creating content for an existing business, or you running a monetized blog and YouTube channel through which you can share your content. In both cases, the content has to be catchy enough to get the attention of the target audience and the necessary feedback. This side hustle requires a lot of research, but when it starts paying off, it does so big. Online tutoring. This side hustle has put food on the table of many students in higher institutions. Online tutoring is very lucrative, and most importantly, teaching a language like English online. There are very credible sites which recruit online teachers, especially English teachers who teach flexibly. Nevertheless, payments are per how many classes you are able to teach. The English language you are playing with is something someone else in another country is willing to pay you to teach them. 3. Freelancing. Freelance websites are one of the multiple and probably the most popular way to land new gigs. With these sites, finding new opportunities is just a click away, and there are projects in almost every field. One of the keys to succeed in most freelance job boards is a well-developed profile and some good ratings to boost your chances. Basically, you should be able to sell your skills and know how to bid for projects. Select the right preferences to constantly receive notifications. Some of the sites are relatively affordable, while others are free. Among the tens upon tens of top freelancing sites, you can check out Fiverr, freelancer.com, and Upwork to kickstart your journey to earning more. Digital marketing. It can be running Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, or even referral marketing, all done online. Thousands of businesses spring up every year, and each is fighting for attention and reach. Digital marketing can bring you incredible cash flow. There are businesses in need of help running Facebook ads, and it is a side hustle that can be done seamlessly. For newbies, a few courses online to get you in check is highly recommended. Photography. Most mobile phones come with insanely good cameras. What most people don't know is that they could actually take some good photographs and make money out of it. Yeah, that is how powerful the digital age is. I am sure at some point you have come across some stock photos. Well, you can join the moving train and make some money by selling photographs. Popular stock photography sites you can consider are shutterstock.com, gettyimages.com, istockphoto.com, and dreamstime.com. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is one who rather works remotely than in a traditional office environment. There is a constant increase in demand for virtual assistants by businesses that want to grow their brand, and you could just be one of the newly hired VAs if you position yourself well. Leverage popular Facebook groups and even sites like Upwork to source for opportunities. Some responsibilities of VAs can range from but not limited to A. Respond to emails, B. Bookkeeping, C. Block management, D. Data entry. Online courses and ebook. Although it requires research, marketing skills, and time, when done diligently, it can flourish immensely. With this side hustle, focus on areas where people have huge problems that need to be solved. create pieces of content in the form of courses and even ebooks and sell online. Find a popular subject without limited content and make some money by selling content around it. You could have your own website or online platform or leverage existing platforms like Amazon. How much you make is totally dependent on how much work you are willing to put in. Online consulting. No matter what field you are in, do not minimize your skills. There is a part of it that is sellable. You could start small online, build your brand, and grow. What is that thing that makes you unique at your place of work? Well, there are businesses out there wishing they had it. The nice thing is you don't need to rent an office space or equip one. What are you waiting for? Polish, position, and multiply yourself and make your wallet happy. Websites are very affordable. Become an online influencer. Do you know all those multiple likes and shares you're usually obsessed with on your post can be monetized? Well, yes, if you get a little bit more intentional, you can make some good money from it. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have been the platforms on which some people have built their businesses. It is interesting that people can create accounts for even their pets, hobbies, lifestyle, and it becomes something extraordinary. Once you amass a huge following, brands will pay you to showcase their products. Reach out to smaller brands whose target audience falls within your followers and present them win-win opportunities. Social media manager. Setting up accounts, scheduling posts, creating ads, and replying to comments for a business's social media handles can actually make you some extra cash. All this can be done using a mobile phone and with a data bundle. Instead of roaming social media aimlessly, why don't you monetize your time there? The secret of getting ahead is getting started. There will never be a better time to start than now. Get dusted and get started. You are up to the task and you are fully equipped to ride till the end. If any side hustle has caught your attention above and you need more information about it, do well to drop it in the comment section. As usual, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more enriching content. Also, share this video with your family and friends to help them out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Best Tech remains your best bet.